Good day, everyone. Today we'll be learning our straight collar. So the steps and the measurements needed for our straight collar is you are going to need the front neck measurement, which is on your pattern. You are going to need the back neck measurement, and you are going to need your collar depth. So first thing to do, I'm going to draft my pattern, whatever style I'm working with. Draft your pattern, which I have done on the board. So create your neckline. So I'm going to measure my back neck and my front neck right now. So to know what I have on my back, I'm placing my tape rule to measure the back neck. I have 7.5 inches, 7.5 cm. Then my front neck, I measure from my NP. I have 10.5 cm. So total of 10.5 and 7.5 gives me 18 cm. Okay. So the next thing to do is to draft my collar following the steps. So get your pattern paper, square out a line like that. Then you label the edge here, 0.1. So to get your 0.2, it's going to be your neck measurement, which is the front measurement and the back measurement. Total of it, that's 18 cm. So I'm going to measure 18 cm from my 0.1. And label it 0.2, 18 cm. So to get my 0.3, I'm going to go up 1.25 cm from 0.2. So I'm going up 1.25 cm. I label this 0.3. Then I blend my 0.3 to this line with my curve. Like that. So the next step says, so to get from my 0.1 to 4, which is going to be my collar depth. And what is my collar depth? 7.5. You can as well do your own to suit your taste, but standard is 7.5. So I'm going to measure 7.5. So I'm going to measure 7.5 from my 0.1 upward. 7.5, and I square it up. So this gives me my 0.4, and this is my center back, which is also known as my collar depth. So to get my 0.5, my 0.5 is going to be the measurement 1 to 2. So I'm going to measure from 0.4, this 18 cm. I label it 0.5 and I join it with my ruler. Like that. So to get my 0.6, my 0.6 is going to be my back neck measurement. So I'm going to measure my back neck measurement from 0.4 inward. My back neck measurement is 7.5. So this is my point 6, and this point also means my shoulder point. Okay, that's my shoulder point, my point 6. So to get my point 7 now, I'm going to square up from point 5, 2.5 cm. So I'm squaring up from point 5, 2.5 cm. Squaring up 2.5 cm, then I square down to touch point 3. Square down to touch point 3. So I label this my point 7. Then the last thing to do is to blend 7 to 6. So I'm blending this point 7 to point 6 with my curve. Okay. So now we have our straight collar. And remember, I told you when you are cutting your collar, you cut your collar on bias and your center back is on fold if you don't have, if there's no opening,